Oh! Happy birthday, Panchita. What is going on right now? Happy birthday! I can't believe you did that.
Oh my God, I can't believe you did that.
Don't ever come here for birthday prizes. Today is Gale's birthday, and we're with our friends up here in, where are we?
Blue Ridge Mountains.
Blue Ridge Mountains. We're gonna go see
Crabtree Falls.
Crabtree Falls. I guess it's the largest waterfall on the East Coast, or the longest waterfall, or something like that.
I don't know.
But I don't know how they don't figure in Niagara.
Yeah, it's not that big. It's narrow.
It's straight down. So anyhow, we're gonna just celebrate her birthday today and spend it with this great friends of ours, family in here, and we're just gonna enjoy this woods and some scenery, and we'll take you along the journey. It's Gale's birthday today, and so for her birthday I thought what we'd do is torture her, make her walk up a mountain.
2 miles.
It's 2 miles, it's no big deal.
Stop it.
Okay, she says stop it. So it's the end of a day of Gale's birthday. We got a bunch of people over here, friends of ours, sitting around a campfire. And I just wanted to take a minute and just give a personal message to my bride. I love you. I'm so glad and so grateful to be going on this journey with you. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Full-time freedom run, Gale and Johnny. That's pretty cool, man. Keep on trucking.
And they seem to never do all these things.
See his YouTube channel up on the side of his coat.
And back then they did the same thing.
Yeah, he documents going right on. It's up on the side.
There's money on
He started sitting like in front of the sink and then he slammed it.
find those candles.